Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis or is just something your parents made up? Meet Dr. Donald Unger. This guy literally conducted a 60-year experiment on himself. Every single day he would crack knuckle of his left hand and do nothing to the right. And guess what? After 60 years, when the X-ray was done, there was absolutely no difference between his right and left hand. No signs of arthritis, and the myth was busted. So what is that sound that you hear when you crack your knuckles? So it's just tiny gas bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid and not your bones grinding. Comment PDF and I'll share the entire research breakdown.